everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Charlie Hunnam, the British actor best known for his role as Jax Teller in Sons of Anarchy. Over the years, fans have admired his acting and personal life. But a common question that pops up online is Charlie Hunnam gay? Let's break it all down. Charlie Hunnam is an English actor and screenwriter born in 1980. He shot to fame in the late 1990s with Queer as Folk, where he played Nathan Maloney, a young gay character. Later, he became internationally famous for his role in Sons of Anarchy. His success on screen has also led to rumors and curiosity about his real-life identity and personal choices. The speculation mainly comes from Hunnam's breakout role in Queer as Folk. His convincing performance as a gay teenager led some fans to wonder if it reflected his own orientation. Over the years, he's also spoken positively about the LGBTQ+ community, further fueling questions. However, none of this has ever pointed to him actually being gay. Is Charlie Hunnam gay? No, Charlie Hunnam is not gay. He has consistently identified as straight and has been in long-term relationships with women. Most notably, he's been in a relationship with artist Morgana McNellis since 2005. He's also spoken openly about how proud he is of his work in Queer as Folk and how he believes in breaking down stereotypes, but that doesn't reflect his personal orientation. Charlie Hunnam's career has shown his versatility as an actor, and his early role in Queer as Folk gave him lasting respect in the LGBTQ+ community. But when it comes to his real life, he's straight. The rumors mostly stem from his acting choices rather than his personal identity.